So I'm Kelly Edwards. I'm the Custody Inspector for Barnstaple Custody Centre in North Devon, part of Devon and Cornwall Police. The centre has been here for 2.5 years, having been moved over from an old centre that we needed to move across to here quite quickly. We've got 8 cells here at Barnstaple, currently 2 charging desks. The cells are all compliant with Home Office guidelines around cell heights, being able to have water into the custody cells themselves, the bunks, the cell intercom systems are all been put in place so that they can be accessed remotely up into the charge desk and the back office area. Yes, I'd recommend this part of the building to other users. It's functioned exactly how we need it to function. Yes, I would recommend using Wernick.